Hello again, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the low beam bulb in this 2015 Jetta. As you can see on the driver's side here, the low beam bulb isn't illuminated and this side's still good. These take H7 bulbs. I picked up a pack here at Advanced Auto. You can get these anywhere. Walmart even sells them, any auto parts store, online, Amazon. I'll have a link up in the description. You can check it out. But yeah, these are H7 bulbs. I'm going to replace both. I like to replace them as a pair so that I have even brightness when driving down the road. That's just personal preference. You don't have to do that. You can just replace one if you want. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, now that the hood's popped up, we can go ahead over to the light bulb area. And there's an access cover right there. So what you need to do is turn it counterclockwise. So if you grab it with your hand, turn it counterclockwise, about a quarter turn, and it will come off. It even shows you on top of here which way to turn for close and open. Set that aside. Now if you look in here, you see that black plastic thing? That needs turned counterclockwise as well. So go ahead and grab this. Just a slight turn and it will loosen and expose your bulb. So now what you need to do is get a flat blade screwdriver and pry the bulb out of this unit that it's held into. You take your screwdriver and gently, just slowly pry up on this bulb and it will release. Just go easy with it and work it back and forth. And then once you get so far, you can just grab it the rest of the way with your hand, like so. Now here's the new bulb. Now be very, very careful not to touch this glass with your bare hands. That's why I'm wearing gloves. It's not really critical when you're taking the old bulb out. You don't really need the gloves on, but I put them on right now for this install. So you can take your new bulb and gently, all you have to do is push it down into this connector. So let me get you a close up here. So if you take the new bulb, this part up the top here goes right up here. So the rounded part of the bulb goes toward this little piece sticking out here. So you just take your bulb and be very careful and slowly push it down into place. So I have it like this, and we're going to slowly push it down until it fully seats up against that metal piece, like so. So the bulb should look like this before you go ahead and install. Okay, so when you put this back in, the black handled part has to be at a slight angle, like so, and you just turn it clockwise. So that's the way it looks when it's turned and it's locked in position there. You can see that. So once that's locked into position, all you need to do is take your dust cover and put it back on like that, and that is it, guys. Here we go, guys. We're back in business. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you guys out. Hit that like button, and please subscribe and check out all of our Volkswagen videos. Take care. See you in the next one.